folks. I was just throwing gum in the garbage. What's new? I got a couple of new things here. I got one thing I wanted to show last week, but I couldn't find the light bulb, actually. I bought this thing. This is totally real. I bought this, not even make a video. I bought it because it's cool. It's an old-fashioned, if you hold it, you pull the cord out. I don't know if I made a video of this. You pull the, let's see. See, it's a light extension. I don't trust it because you just pull it out, cord comes out, and it spins. Like you can turn this, and the cord comes out. And you put a light bulb in it. I don't know if this light bulb works. It takes a regular light bulb. It was like $10. It was like, I was like, that's cool. And if you plug it in, it's like a work light. And if you want to, the only reason why I don't trust it is, see how close that is right there? Like, you don't want to, I don't know, it seems a little sketchy, but it does work. The little desk light. I mean, you can always go like, and the light kind of spins, comes out. Doesn't perfectly spin, but you can like this, see? Yeah, see? Oh, great idea! So anyway, that's one little thing. I thought it was cool. But then if you want to turn it off with this sketchy plug, I never was a big fan of these old things. I think it's still got the original suicide plug. See, the cord might be brand new. But you take the light bulb out like this here, and then you take it and you go like this, and you just spin the bottom, and it retracts the cord. It's made of Bakelite. I'll show you I'll give you a close-up of it in a second here. So yeah, why did I buy it? Because I like dumb things. It's what does it say? Unwind, grasp upper part, and pull on cord. Rewind, grasp upper part, and turn base. SMR Box 403 Arcade and LA, California. That's the little thing about blobber. If you want to read it, hit pause, hit whatever, read it. It's got that cool like Bakelite finish. It has the little, like, does anybody make any out of Bakelite? A little screw in there. It's just a little tiny, neat little thing. I thought it was really cool. That was my little, I don't know, I think I had like $10 left, and I was like, oh, I want that. I was looking at it, and I was like, I put it in my watch list, because I have like 100 things in my watch list, and I was like, oh, I put like $1,000 items, like you just want to see, because it's cool to watch how much it goes, and there was a $900 pair of vice grips in there, and I love it because they always send you an offer, like, oh, do you want to buy it for like, it's $950. Do you want to buy it for like $847? I'm like, yeah, sure, like, you know, because I got money to buy a $900 pair of vice grips. With that said, that's it for this little tinker video. That's for that. I'm gonna make another video. I'm back to making small little videos that you could just watch. Just, you know, little short stuff. So stay tuned and keep watching. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, watch the whole video. And I don't know if they put ads in my videos, but if they do, yeah, good for you. It looks like there's a white square here, like some kind of like outdoor thing. It's kind of weird. Anyway, thanks for watching.